Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading again. What we're excited to show you today, this is a Fitzpatrick Guilo river, the model 14x14. We've just finished reconditioning it. It's on short legs, as when someone buys it, we'll create legs with casters, with washdown duty, with floor pads, whatever the particular need calls for, or we can integrate it into any kind of stand. This is used for chipping frozen foods, mostly hard, friable materials. You'll see there's small knives mounted on the rotor in a staggered position and they rotate. In reconditioning this unit, we put all new bearings on it. You'll see that the mill body itself is completely hinged, and you'll see there's a hinge right here in the front which holds the top unit, allows you to clean it, open it up for cleaning. And on the bottom underneath here, if you come around the side, Jim, you can see there's another hinge on the bottom for the lower half of the mill. There's actually a handle here to hang on to it. By loosening these two, you can swing, these are on a pin, and they can swing out of the way, allowing this to open, and at the same time allowing your bottom to swing out for full cleaning. We've installed a brand new 3-horse Eurodrive gear motor. It operates at 603 RPM as the maximum speed, slightly larger than the factory originally started. Why don't you take a look inside, and we'll start this up. We're running it through an AC frequency controller by Tico. We're running at about 50% speed, which is about 30 hertz on this. So that's about where you want to run, but it doesn't hurt having the advantage of a AC frequency controller. And just watch for a minute. I'm going to just drop the speed down real quick. And that's raising it up. Unit has its full guarding, original bearings, and it's ready for service. We have lots of equipment in our stock like this, everything in processing and packaging. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we thank you for joining us for this video today.